Today I'm going to explain to you about passives. The common structure of passives is be joined with past participle. There are four cases. The first case can be identified if the person or the object of the action is not known. For example, he was accused of robbery years ago. We know that he was accused, but we don't know who accused him. In the second case, we could infer who the person is or the object of the action, but this person is not important. For example, most of the students were called by the end of the class. We know that the director was the one who called them, but this person is not important. In the third case, the person or the object is important. For example, the man was witness of how his brother was killed. In this part, we know that this person is important and is essential for the context because he was the witness. In the fourth case, we know that most people do not give complete information. Instead, they summarize it. For example, if I'm talking about, for example, a percentage, some people might say that it was 27% and not 27.23%. Now, the example is, it is considered that the prices fell. This is summarized, but if we said the complete information, it will be that the prices fell at 25% last year.
Hi guys, today I'm going to explain you about phrasal verbs. Consist of a main verb plus of one or two particles. For example, we here have one example. My mother passed away when I was 8 years old. So our phrasal verb would be passed away. For example, in here, my dad is really good at chess and I take after him. The last example is with two particles and are inseparable too. For example, no, I don't get on with male laws at all, unfortunately.
Hi guys, my name is Santiago and in this video we'll see the inversion grammar. The inversion happens we invert the normal word of a structure, most commonly the subject, verb, word order. For example, a statement has the subject before the verb, but to make a question, word order, we invert the subject and the verb with an auxiliary or modal verb before the structure.
Okay guys, at first we have this example, the subject is going to be she and the verb is going to be sings. At the next one, we are going to make the inversion, we have the auxiliary. At the next one we have the subject and at the end we have the verb. The auxiliary is going to be does, the subject is she obviously, and at the end we have the verb sing, but with a question mark at the end.
Okay guys, so then we're going to see another example. So here we have they are working, they are working, which is present, and then we have are they working, which is are they working, and of course we have at the end a question mark.
Okay, in this example we use the modal verb in inversion grammar. In this case we have the subject that is Joe, the modal that is can, and the verb is swim. And when you create the inversion grammar you have the modal that is can, the subject that is Joe, and the verb that is swim, and in the finish you put a question mark.